Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at another interesting AI platform that is getting attention online, KI3 AI. The big question is simple. Is KI3 actually useful, or is it just another AI tool making big promises? In this video, we're going to take a proper look at what KI3 offers, how the platform works, what you can potentially use it for, the advantages and disadvantages, and most importantly, whether I think it's worth considering. So if you're thinking about trying KI3, make sure you watch this entire review before making any decision. Let's get started. What is KI3 AI? So first of all, what exactly is KI3? KI3 is presented as an AI-focused platform designed to help users perform different AI-powered tasks from one place. Instead of using a separate tool for every single task, the idea behind platforms like this is to give you a centralized AI workspace. And that's something I personally like. Because if you're a content creator, marketer, freelancer, entrepreneur, or even a beginner experimenting with AI, you can quickly end up with 5, 10, or even more different AI subscriptions. One tool for writing, another for images, another for videos, another for research, another for marketing, and another one for productivity. So the attraction of an all-in-one AI platform is obvious. The real question, however, is whether KI3 actually delivers good results. And that's what we're going to test. First, look at the platform. Once you get inside the platform, the first thing I would recommend doing is exploring the dashboard. Look at how the tools are organized. Check how easy it is to find the features you actually need. And this is important because an AI platform can have dozens of features, but if the interface is confusing, you're probably not going to use most of them. For me, simplicity is extremely important. I don't want to spend 30 minutes trying to figure out where a particular feature is. I want to log in, choose what I need, enter my prompt, and get the result. So during my testing of KI3, one of the first things I would pay attention to is the overall user experience. Is it beginner-friendly? Does it respond quickly? Are the tools easy to understand? And does everything feel like it's actually connected together? AI content creation. Now let's talk about one of the most important areas, content creation. For example, let's say I want KI3 to create a YouTube introduction. I could enter something like, write an engaging YouTube introduction for a technology review channel about the latest AI tools. And then let the AI generate the content. This is where AI can save a huge amount of time. Instead of staring at a blank document wondering what to write, you can start with an AI-generated draft and then improve it yourself. And that's how I recommend using AI. Don't simply copy and paste everything. Use AI as your assistant. Let it generate the first version. Then add your own personality, experience, opinions, and examples. That's going to make your content much more authentic. Key 3 for YouTube creators. If you're a YouTube creator, this type of AI platform can potentially be useful for several parts of your workflow. For example, video ideas, titles, descriptions, scripts, short-form content, social media posts, hooks, call-to-action sections, and even brainstorming. Let's say I want 10 video ideas about artificial intelligence. I can simply ask the AI. Then I can take the best idea and ask it to create a complete outline. After that, I can expand the outline into a full script. This can dramatically speed up the initial content creation process. But remember, AI-generated content still needs human editing. You should always check facts, remove repetitive sections, and make sure the final video actually sounds like you. Key 3 for marketing. Another area where AI tools can be useful is marketing. Imagine you're launching a product. Normally, you might need to create a headline, product description, advertisement copy, email campaigns, social media posts, landing page content, and several different versions for testing. AI can help you generate those drafts much faster. For example, you could ask, create 5 different advertising headlines for an AI productivity tool, each targeting a different type of customer. Instead of creating every variation manually, you can generate multiple ideas in seconds and then choose the strongest ones. For freelancers and small businesses, that can potentially save a lot of time. KI3 for research and productivity. Another interesting use case is research and general productivity. AI can help summarize information, organize ideas, brainstorm solutions, rewrite content, and turn rough notes into structured documents. For example, you might have a long piece of information and want a simple summary. Or perhaps you have a business idea but don't know how to structure it. You can give the AI your rough thoughts and ask it to organize everything into a clear plan. Again, the important point is that AI should assist your thinking, not completely replace it. Always verify important information before relying on it. Image, video or other AI features. Now, depending on the version and access you're using, KI3 may include additional AI creation capabilities. If you see image generation, video creation, voice, design, coding, or other tools inside your dashboard, this is where I recommend doing your own testing. Don't judge an AI tool simply because the sales page shows impressive examples. Instead, give it the same prompt you would normally give another AI tool. Then compare the results. For example, if you're testing image generation, use a detailed prompt and look at image quality, prompt accuracy, consistency, text rendering, generation speed, and overall usability. The same principle applies to video and other AI features. The demo is only the starting point. Your own results are what really matter. What I like about KI3. So let's talk about some potential advantages. Number 1. Convenience. Having multiple AI functions available from one platform can be much easier than constantly switching between different websites. Number 2. Time saving. AI can dramatically reduce the amount of time required for repetitive tasks. Instead of starting everything from scratch, you can generate a first draft and refine it. Number 3. Beginner-friendly. If KI3's interface is simple enough, beginners can potentially start experimenting with AI without needing technical knowledge. Number 4. Multiple use cases. The biggest attraction of an all-in-one AI platform is versatility. You aren't necessarily using it for just one task. You can potentially use AI for content, marketing, research, productivity, and other creative workflows depending on the features included in your account. What I don't like. Now let's be fair. No AI platform is perfect. And this is where you need to be careful. First, feature lists can look much more impressive than real-world performance. Having 50 or 100 AI features doesn't automatically mean all of them are excellent. Sometimes you may discover that you only regularly use 2 or 3 features. Second, AI output still needs human supervision. You should not blindly trust AI-generated information. Always check important facts, especially for financial, legal, medical, business, or technical decisions. Third, pricing and access matter. Before purchasing any AI product, carefully check exactly what is included, whether there are usage limits, whether certain features require additional credits, and what the refund policy says. And finally, don't buy an AI tool simply because a sales page promises that you can make huge amounts of money. AI can help you work faster. It cannot guarantee income. Is KI3 easy to use? For beginners, this is probably one of the most important questions. And the best way to answer it is to actually create something. Let's say I'm completely new to AI. I open the platform. I choose a tool. I enter a simple prompt. And I generate my first result. If that entire process takes only a few minutes and doesn't require complicated technical setup, that's a big advantage. The best AI tools are the ones that make powerful technology feel simple. WHO should consider KI3. So who is KI3 potentially useful for? I would put several groups on the list. YouTube creators who need help with ideas, scripts and content. Freelancers who want to speed up repetitive work. Marketers who need copy and creative ideas. Small business owners who want AI assistance without managing lots of different tools. Beginners who want to experiment with AI. And AI enthusiasts who simply like testing new platforms. But if you already have several premium AI subscriptions and you're completely satisfied with your existing workflow, you should compare the actual features and results before switching. WHO should avoid it. If you're looking for a magic button that automatically creates money, KI3 isn't something you should buy for that reason. There is no AI tool that can guarantee that. And if you're already an advanced AI user who needs very specific professional capabilities, you should compare KI3 against the specialized tools you already use. Sometimes one excellent specialized tool is better than an all-in-one platform. My final verdict. So, is KI3 worth it? My answer is, it depends on what you're looking for. If your goal is convenience and you want multiple AI capabilities available from one place, KI3 is certainly worth investigating. The biggest potential advantage is the convenience of having an AI-powered workspace rather than constantly jumping between different platforms. But I would not recommend buying it purely because of marketing claims or income examples. Instead, look at the actual features available to you, test the platform yourself if a trial or demo is available, check the pricing carefully, and compare the results against the AI tools you're already using. And that's especially important because AI technology changes incredibly quickly. A tool that looks amazing today may have strong competition tomorrow. Final rating. So if I had to give KI3 a rating based on the concept and potential usefulness, I would put it around 4 out of 5 stars, with the final score depending heavily on the actual features, output quality, limits and pricing available with your particular plan. The convenience is definitely attractive. The AI market is moving incredibly fast. And platforms that successfully combine multiple AI workflows into one simple interface can be genuinely useful. But as always, test before you trust. Outro. And that's my review of KI3 AI. If you found this video useful, make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more AI tools, software reviews, tutorials, and online business technology. And let me know in the comments. Would you use an all-in-one AI platform like KI3, or do you prefer using separate specialized AI tools? I'd love to know your opinion. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep exploring AI.